How to use Amazon Music app. Now Amazon Music is also one of those popular podcast and music streaming applications. As and when you open the app after you log into your account, of course this is the interface you will see. By default you'll be on the home page, or you'll find the recommended songs and everything, or the continue listening and so on, right? Similarly, if you want to find a custom song, you can come to the find option to search for a song that you would like to search. You can search for podcasts, merch, live videos and so on. You can come to the library tab to create your own playlist and find the downloaded songs, find your playlist songs, your favorite artists and your albums. You can see music and you can see the podcast option right there. Now if you have a free account, you'll also find the toggle to upgrade it. Now aside from that, if we come to our profile icon from the top left, we can see offline mode, which will basically mean that we would not have, if you download the music, we will be able to find those downloaded music there. Or otherwise we can connect to a device, and we can also go to profile, we can go to settings, we can go to account to view our membership details, sign out or do other things as such. But to give you a basic idea, this is how you can actually use the Amazon Music app as well. I hope that this video pretty much helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end, and see you in the next video.